Today's recipe is a Veg Tunday Kabab. For this, I have soaked 1 cup of Chana Dal for 2 hours. Two cups of soya chunks, also soaked but just for 1 hour. To this I've added a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of fennel or saunf, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, juice of 1 lemon, and 1.5 cups of water. Mix everything well. Pressure cook this for 3 whistles on very high flame. In the meanwhile, chop together 3 green chilies, 1 onion, and a handful of coriander leaves finely. You could open up the pressure cooker and see. If there is gravy in it, then you have to cook it again till the gravy dries up. Once the gravy dries, keep aside to cool. You can put this Chana Dal and soya chunk mixture into a blender and blend to a very fine paste. To the kebab mixture, add the chopped onion, coriander leaves and chilies. Mix well. Your Tunday Kabab mixture is ready. Shape into kebabs as shown. In a frying pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. You could also use oil, but ghee gives a better flavor. Shallow fry the kebabs on medium flame till crisp on either side. Serve hot kebabs with tamarind chutney and green chutney, or with just sliced onions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.